Good morning, dear friends. Today, MC question 27 is present on the screen. The duplication of chromosomes without division of the nucleus, resulting in an increased number of chromosomes within the cell, is referred to as endomitosis, amitosis, polyteny, and option D, mitosis. First of all, we discuss endomitosis. In this endomitosis, it is the process during which there is no breakdown of the nuclear envelope and no formations of spindle fiber, no spindle fiber formation, and the replicated chromosomes remain intact into the nucleus, and it results in formations of multiple copies of DNA within the nucleus. Hence, endomitosis is responsible to increase the number of chromosomes. It may result in polyploidy or it may responsible to increase the number of replicated DNA. Replicated DNA or chromosomes. Next, that is the amitosis. Amitosis, it is the direct cell division in which nuclear envelope remain intact. First of all, cytokinesis take place and uh, followed by nuclear karyokinesis, in which uh, nuclear division take place along with nuclear division, that is the nucleus division. Cytokinesis also take place and result in formations of uh, this type of division is known as binary fission. It mostly occur in acellular organism, that is the bacteria, fungi, uh, and algae. It is the amitosis process. In case of uh, mitosis, it is the indirect cell division and it is complicated, having different stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In case of polyteny, it is condition or the presence of large number of replicated chromosomes which are formed uh, due to increased number of replication at the S stage of interphase interphase S stage. uh, DNA at its S stage, DNA replicates and results in formation of large number of chromosome copy or DNA copy. These DNA replicated DNA copies align side by side, and formations of a large number of large size of chromosome, that is known as giant chromosome or polytene chromosome. Polytene chromosomes. And large number of polytene chromosome presence in the cell is known as such condition is known as polyteny. Now the answer of this question is C. Polyteny is the presence or large number of chromosomes, large size joint chromosome in the cells. Such type of polyteny occur in Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster. It is African origin. It is African origin. And such type of joint chromosomes occur in salivary gland cells. Salivary gland cells. That's all. Same type of video will be in next time. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.